First up, we have our Green Goddess Smoothie. Packed with nutrient-rich spinach, creamy avocado, and zesty lemon, this smoothie is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. Now, why spinach? It's a superfood loaded with tons of nutrients in a low-calorie package. Then we have avocado, a heart-healthy fat that's going to give our smoothie a rich, creamy texture while keeping us full and satisfied. Next up, we're adding a pop of citrus with some fresh lemon. Not only does it brighten up the flavor, but it's also packed with vitamin C, great for boosting your immune system. We're also adding a dollop of Greek yogurt for a protein punch and a dash of honey to balance out the flavors with a hint of sweetness. Blend it all together, and what do you get? A delicious, nutrient-dense smoothie that's perfect for breakfast on the go or a midday pick-me-up. Our Green Goddess Smoothie is ready to enjoy. It's the perfect way to kickstart your day or refuel after a workout. Next on our list is the Berry Blast Smoothie. Bursting with antioxidants from mixed berries, this smoothie is not only delicious but also great for your skin and overall health. To start, we need a generous handful of mixed berries. Berries are a fantastic source of antioxidants and fiber, helping to keep your skin glowing and your digestion smooth. Next, we're adding some creamy almond butter. Not only does this give our smoothie an irresistible nutty flavor, but it also provides a dose of healthy fats and protein to keep you satisfied. A splash of almond milk adds to the creaminess and makes for a lighter, more drinkable texture. Now, let's blend it all together until it's smooth and velvety. This is when our smoothie really comes to life, transforming into a vibrant, richly colored treat that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. The Berry Blast Smoothie is a personal favorite of mine, and I love how it keeps me feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. Last but not least, we have our Tropical Paradise Smoothie. Packed with exotic fruits like pineapple, mango, and coconut, this smoothie will transport you to a sunny island getaway with every sip. The pineapple brings a burst of tropical sweetness and a healthy dose of vitamin C. The mango, apart from being utterly delicious, is a great source of vitamins A and E. Now the coconut, this is where things get really interesting. It's not just for the tropical vibe, it's also a wonderful source of healthy fats and fiber. To balance out the sweetness and add an extra punch of nutrients, we're tossing in some spinach. And let's not forget about the chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are full of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. After a quick whirl in the blender, our Tropical Paradise Smoothie is ready. The Tropical Paradise Smoothie is a delicious way to satisfy your cravings for something sweet while still staying on track with your weight loss goals. Well, there you have it, folks. 3 delicious and nutritious smoothie recipes to help you on your journey to a healthier, happier you. We've explored the Green Goddess Smoothie, a vitamin powerhouse that's sure to kickstart your day. Then we delved into the Berry Blast Smoothie, a berry-packed delight that's not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boost for your overall health. And finally, we whisked ourselves away to a tropical paradise with a smoothie that's loaded with exotic fruits and a handful of nutrient-rich greens. Each of these smoothies is not just a flavorful adventure, but also a step towards wellness, offering a blend of essential nutrients, proteins, and fibers. They're perfect to incorporate into your weight loss journey or simply to add a dash of health to your everyday routine. Give them a try and let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes and wellness tips. Until next time, cheers!